Hi everybody. So my name is Addison James, and I'm your instructor for Major African American Writers. Right, the first thing I want to do is show you a little bit of Blackboard Ultra, and also show you how to download the syllabus and make sure you have all the appropriate things to read. I also wanted to go over a couple of the things. Some of them are movies that are expensive, like the DVD Bamboozled or the James Baldwin thing that's on Prime. If you have Amazon Prime, I'm Not Your Negro. These two things, if you wanted to buy the DVDs, you can, but we'll be watching them and I can show them online to you through this Blackboard Ultra. But the first thing I want to do is show you this recording. This is my screen. You can see I'm still working on developing the course right now to include all of our content. But what I wanted to show you first of all is what you do is you can click on this and it brings up this, and then to download the syllabus you click on these three dots. I call them the ellipse or ellipsis, and you click on the ellipse and then you go to download file. The downloaded file, I can show you right there, it appeared here in the bottom, the download bar, and then when I click on it, it actually opens for me in a different tab, but when I click on it, it will appear on your screen. So that is how you go about navigating. To navigate back to what is called the stream, you see this is just the stream for the Blackboard course. This is the calendar. There we have discussion boards. There we have the grade book, and then there we have messages between you, the instructor, and yourself or other students. In the stream, the next thing you go to is this reading list. All right, so this is a document the same way that's a Word document, and it tells you the things that we're going to be doing. I've updated it as of today, which is December the 28th, and this reading list includes everything that we're going to do. You can look at that. The other thing you could do is look in this. I put books to buy or rent ASAP, and I included the link to the Barnes & Noble bookstore on campus, the campus bookstore. And then if you want to see the ISBN numbers, try and buy it on your own, here they are. And hopefully, you're taking this class, you're probably interested in African American literature, so you would want to keep some of these books, but you can buy the cheapest book. We're going to be reading basically everything in the book, so it's important to know the page numbers, but the chapter numbers would suffice. Some of them, like Turn Me Loose, the poetry volume, there's only that version. But anyway, these two right here, that's pretty expensive. So what's going to happen is I'm going to do some showings. I guess maybe one or two times I'll schedule my time in my office, and I'll show it on my screen just like I'm doing now. And except it'll be broadcast in our Blackboard Ultra classroom, which is called Collaborate. So the next thing is to join that. You can go to join session and go to course room, and that takes you to something that looks like this, and that is the Blackboard online digital course room. You would unmute your mic, get your camera going, and so we're going to use this. The way that we're going to use it in this course is I would like to find a time where I can set up 2 to 3 open labs, and in an open lab what we would do is that would be 2 to 3 times that we would have a scheduled discussion, and it would probably be something like 15 to 20 minutes of me, just us looking at each other and talking. Basically, there is a chat feature that you can find this way. I don't think I can get, there we go. A chat feature that you can find right there. And then I can see who's in the room, and I can give you access to share your screen. And so I would let you see yours. You could let us see your screen. But anyway, this is where we would discuss things. We're going to use the discussion board, but I like the idea of an open lab time where I'm just maybe available this 15 to 20 minutes 2 to 3 times per week. And then everyone that could schedule maybe a time to come in there, we can do a check-in on what's going on. But the discussion board is really where I'm wanting you to express a lot of your ideas in writing. And then those open lab times are where you and I would discuss something maybe, and I'd be like, hey, some people have been wondering about this, or what about this, or whatever. So from there, we can end up having some face-to-face dialogue supporting the discussion board format. But mainly the courses, we're discussing these themes of what it means to be Black and an African American in America today in 2020. So we're reading the best pieces of quote unquote literature because we can discuss that, but we're reading the best and watching the best of what I believe to be the commentary on this topic. So anyway, I'm excited about teaching this class, and I'm looking forward to learning everyone's perspectives. And I hope through me sharing this list of like my best of African American writers that you can see my perspective and we can have this dialogue that comes out of that. So anyway, I've probably gone too long. It's over 5 minutes on this video, but that should introduce you to how to download things in Blackboard and kind of how to navigate a little bit through Blackboard. So I'm leaving that session right now, and then I go back to a different tab. I went from that Blackboard to a different tab to the what's called the stream. When you click on that, it opens up. So you read that explanation, and then you have other things that you click on. And you would read that, and then sometimes there might be a video in there, a cartoon or something, some information. So go through every little thing right now that's available and just check that out. All right, sorry that this video was so long.